Guys, Casey with the Hobbs Crew here today, and we're having another edition of Cooking with the Crew. And today we're doing chicken fajitas, Chipotle chicken fajitas. This is one of my favorite meals of all times. And so this is the ingredients that we've gathered. This is the mayonnaise, the garlic, and the chipotle sauce to make our dressing. We have sliced onions. We've sliced 3 sweet peppers, 3 onions, and 3 sweet peppers. We like to do sweets because we have a large family and they don't like a lot of spice. And then 1 package of fresh mushrooms, and those were cleaned and sliced as well. We also are going to be doing some refried beans, and we like to add bacon grease to our refried beans and season them up maybe with a little bit of garlic too. And then we have about 2 pounds of chicken breast, which we'll throw on the griddle as well. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and mix up my dressing. I have about 3 cups of just mayonnaise, whatever brand you prefer. And then I put the entire bottle of hot sauce in there. And so we're going to mix all that in there. This actually, even though it is Chipotle and it is hot sauce, it is not too spicy. So don't worry about it getting too spicy for your family. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of granulated garlic. A bit windy today. Put this in a squirt bottle so we can easily add it, season our veggies and our chicken with it.
Without contamination.
Without contamination. All right.
I've already preheated it. I'm warming it up. I'm going to use olive oil tonight. And this is our second cook on this. So I'm still learning. So I want to heat that up just a little bit, get that grease going. I don't want it just to set on the chicken.
Which one is he doing first, the veggies or chicken?
Okay, we're going to add the chicken first, get it going. We got 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. While I got the chicken going, I think I'll go ahead and throw the onions in on the other side. Let them start cooking. And yes, my hands are clean. And that was 3 medium onions. These were not large onions.
What are you doing, Dad?
And here comes our 3-year-old, George. I'm cooking. I'm cooking chicken fajitas for you to eat. And we're not going to salt and pepper these due to the fact that we will be putting that marinade on this also. I think I need to turn it up. It's not as windy, so it's cooking slow, or it's not as hot. Turn these on. Okay, we're going to start the beans. They don't take long to make, but then they just set. And the longer they're in the bacon grease, the better they are. Okay, when we make bacon, we usually bake it in the oven, and then we have residual grease that we can use. We're running low. I haven't been eating a lot of bacon lately. Okay, grease is melted. I don't know if we pointed out, we do large amounts because there's 9 in the family, 7 kids. Right now I'm just mixing in the beans with the bacon grease. All right, let's flip this chicken. Griddle's looking a little dry. You go ahead and add the peppers to the onions, or to the side.
Your favorite.
No.
Your favorite.
Yeah.
Can you tell me how it smells?
Vegetables. And good.
I'm not going to put the marinade on the onions until a little bit closer to the time we're going to use them. So I can serve them up. And go ahead and throw the mushrooms in. Another pepper. When we're cooking chicken breast, we're looking for the temperature of 165. I'm starting to cut some of this meat off because it's already done. And I just throw it in there with the rest of the vegetables. Oh, mushroom down. All right, here we go. Okay, we're going to add the magic chipotle sauce.
Me to do it?
Why does this keep going down?
Oh goodness, that is so yummy.
You think we need more on there?
Yeah, let me do it.
Yeah, I think that'll probably be enough one. One in there.
Now it shouldn't go away since that's stuck.
Yep.
Here, I'll take that.
Okay, these are hot ready, Mom.
Okay, Georgie.
Okay, so I'm gonna go
What do
ahead
we
and try to
put?
build mine. I've set up for a fajita bar. I have, okay, no, we won't use your hot pad. Okay, I have set up a fajita bar. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build our fajitas. I have shredded cheddar cheese here, sour cream. I really like this. It's a jalapeno fiesta dip from Prairie Farms. I like to use it on all things nacho, taco. Tomatoes that we sliced up, salsa, and we have some lettuce. So I'm going to build myself one of these. I always start with the flour tortilla. Then I put a little bit of beans on there. I like to top it with my cheese just because then it'll melt. Then, what did I do with those? Okay. Then I'm going to add my fajita stuff. And then I like a little bit of tomato. And a little bit of romaine. And then top it off with, this stuff is spicy, so their kids will use sour cream. All right, so let's see how this tastes. So now I get to try to describe it. It's tender. The skillet part, I love the way it browns it and caramelizes it. Probably compared to the grill. The grill's like a different taste. It's just that it's a little bit spicy because of the fiesta dip, but the chipotle flavoring on it is just it kind of makes it a sweet, salty taste actually. Guys, come eat. Alex, what do you think?
It's good and veggie.
What do you like? What do you think?
It's really, really, really good.
You don't like the veggies, Alex?
Huh?
You like the veggies?
The peppers.
Peppers? Randa, what's your thoughts?
I like all of it because it's so delicious.
What do you think?
Out of 0 to 10, I give it 100.
The vegetables are really good. The sauce is really good, and my mom said it would be good, but I didn't believe her at that point. I think we should have dinner cooked on this grill from now on. It's gonna be hard work for Dad, so
Hey, I'm gonna cook the dinner on there one time.
Whoa!
I think it's something we'll do it again. I think everybody liked it.
Yeah.
It was a hit.
It was a hit.
Like, subscribe, and share.
So, I like